Okay, so what we got here is a BMW 7 Series 1989, now installed with a focal speakers out, all running on an Audison amp. It's all hidden in the boot, can't see anything. So the front speakers all go here. So they on these cars, they're on the kick valves, the bottom, and then you got the top one where the mid-range goes, and the tweeters. And in the back here is where the back speakers go, partial shelf. Everything looks original still, so nothing's been modified. It's keeping that classic look. All running on this aftermarket black paint original style looking radio. So it keeps that old classic look to it with this radio installed.
Triple platinum, doing 50 a week. Still, I stay close to the heat. And even when I was close to defeat, I rose to my feet. My life's like a soundtrack, I wrote to the beat. Street rap like Cali weed, I smoke till I'm asleep. Wake up in the AM, compose a beat. I bring the fire till you're soaking in your seat. It's not a fluke, it's been tried, I'm the truth. Since turn out the lights from the world-class wrecking crew, I'm still at it, after mathematics. And the home of drive-bys and acmatics.
Super clear sound, radio quality. If you want something like this installed on yours, give us a call on 028 554 5554. Comments at Carson Security in Ilford, Gansel, IG2 6QA.